This video shows you how to use a VVX phone for hot desking. Hot desking, also known as hoteling, allows a single phone to use multiple user accounts. By default, hot desking is enabled on all Skype for Business phone configurations. The first account you sign in with is the host account. To sign into a guest account, go to More, then Guest. This prompt appears. Host user will be signed out. Are you sure? Press Yes. In this example, we will sign in with user credentials. It is easiest to use the keyboard for this. Type in your Skype account information, then press Sign In. You are asked to create a lock code. Enter a code of your choosing, then confirm it. You are now signed in as a guest user. To get back to the host account, go to More, then Sign Out. Enter the host lock code. You are now signed in to the host account again. This is the end of the video.